Welcome to Mailtank Philippines, the most trusted brand in all machine aspects. SH01 grinder is one of the best-selling items. These are the disc and other accessories of the grinder. I will include the specifications of the item here in the video. And this is how to use it. Enjoy watching. Standard accessories: cutting, grinding, wrench, auxiliary handle, and carbon brush. Spindle diameter. Diameter of grinding wheel 107 millimeters. Grinding or cutting diameter 100 millimeters. Voltage 220 volts to 240 volts and frequency 50 to 60 Hz. Product weight 2 kilograms. No load speed 12,000 rotation per minute. Rated input power 600 watts. Thank you so much for watching.